What's going on, guys? Tom Lane here, the co-founder of the digital marketing company Media Supreme, and it's so nice to meet so many of you lovely people. And today I'm coming to you with an exclusive offer just for Udemy. I want to give you our Instagram Growth Mastery course that normally sells for $200 to you guys completely free. Now this offer is extremely limited and only open for a limited amount of people, so you're going to want to get in now before all of these slots are taken up. Now in this course we're going to show you exactly how to grow Instagram followers and make money marketing your Instagram account. Now it doesn't matter if you're a personal account, business account or personal brand account, we're going to show you exactly how to market your Instagram account, gain more followers and make money with your Instagram account. And like I said, guys, this is only open for a limited amount of people, so you're going to want to get in now before we put the price up to $200 again. Now, does your account look a little bit like this? Well, that's completely fine, guys. We want to show you how you can get it to look something a little bit more like this. And like I said, guys, we want to show you everything there possibly is to know about marketing your Instagram account. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you're a business account or a personal account, this course is going to be for you. We want to show you how you can set up the perfect Instagram account, so when people come across your page, they can't help but follow your account. We've put together a course that shows you everything you need to know about marketing your Instagram account, growing followers, and getting engagement on your Instagram account. And we wanted to create a course that has no fluff in it, because too many courses nowadays have too much fluff in, and we wanted to cut out all of the fluff and just show you the important things you need to know about growing your Instagram account and making money with your Instagram account. No fluff, guys. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner to Instagram, we made this course so you can easily follow along and pick up everything that we have to give you. And in this course, you're going to learn everything from setting up the perfect Instagram account to growing followers on Instagram, to making money from those followers and getting tons of engagement on all of your photos and all of your videos. And that's not the only thing you'll be getting with this Instagram growth course. We want to give you our social media marketing ebook completely free that's normally valued at $20. And in this social media marketing book, we're going to show you everything you need to know about building a following on social media and making money from that following. It doesn't matter if you're a personal brand or a business, this ebook is going to be for you. And that's not the only thing you'll be getting for free, guys. We'll also give you guys a personal invite into our private social media marketing Facebook group, where you can get help from me and Madison anytime you want when it comes to social media marketing. And an invite into this private social media marketing Facebook group is valued at $50. So you're going to want to get in today, as you're going to be able to get personal help from me and Madison anytime you need it when it comes to social media marketing. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Get into this Instagram growth course now and start growing your Instagram following and making money with your Instagram account. Guys, it's been great meeting so many of you new people, and I can't wait to see you in the first lesson in this Instagram growth course. So definitely get in right now before this limited offer is taken away completely. Guys, it's been great talking with you, and I'll see you in the first lesson.